Today I'm reviewing this tankless reverse osmosis system. If you're wondering which RO system is the best, this video is for you. I've tested 3 different reverse osmosis systems and I have a lot of insights to share. I've learned a lot from my experiences installing various water filters at home, including a few mistakes I did along the way. In this video, I'll share everything you need to know before you commit to a RO system so you can avoid those same pitfalls. Alright, let's start with the cons. To get those deal breakers out of the way first, it's louder compared to regular reverse osmosis. The system can be quite loud when it's running. The sound itself might not be too annoying, but it does vibrate, which can be a bit bothersome. But I am considering adding rubber feet to help reduce the vibration. I will let you know if it does the trick. Requires power connection. The system needs to be connected to a power source. If you don't have enough outlets under your sink, this could be an issue, especially since your dishwasher and garbage disposal might need higher amperage, making it impossible to use an outlet splitter. Setting up the system can be a bit intimidating. It took me around 2 hours and I already had a previous RO system installed, so I had all the connections ready and the faucet was set up, so that made it a lot easier. Well, actually, I made my husband set it up, and I have no regrets. I would rather hire a handyman than do it myself. One more thing to note is that this system doesn't offer an option for alkaline water, which some other RO systems do. If having alkaline water is important to you, this might be a drawback. Now let's move on to the pros. The best thing about this tankless RO is high water pressure. One of the standout features is the high water pressure, which ensures you get a steady flow of clean water. It's so much better than the APEC system with a separate tank. Pressure over time just wasn't as good, and even the plumber told me I will need to replace the whole tank at some point. It takes up less space under your sink compared to traditional RO systems, giving you more room in your kitchen. The filters are super easy to replace, making maintenance a breeze. Filters are easily accessible from the front of the system and not from the bottom, like with some of the other water filters. This is especially important because there's smaller chances of leaks. The system looks great and can blend well with any kitchen decor. It uses a lot less water than standard RO systems, making it an eco-friendly choice. For all the features it offers, I think the price is quite reasonable. It comes with a faucet that has an LCD screen, but you can also use your preferred faucet. I personally use a faucet with 2 spouts, which is great for rental units since I didn't need to drill a separate hole in the countertop for the RO system. So there you have it. This NexTrend tankless reverse osmosis system has its pros and cons, but overall, it's a solid choice for those looking to upgrade their home's water filtration. The water tastes great, which is super important to me, and I'm much happier with the water pressure. If you found this review helpful and informative, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more in-depth reviews and lifestyle content. And if you're ready to take the plunge and invest, I've conveniently linked it in the description below. If the cons aren't deal breakers for you, the benefits definitely make it worth considering. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's anything specific you'd like to know about the system. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.